Alright, so my plan was to get up this morning and do a video about, I guess, washing my car because it's really dirty, which I'll show you all in a second. But yeah, that was my plan, get up, do a whole video about detailing my car and that kind of thing. But actually on my way to the car wash, the quick spray off wash, I hit my hand real bad and it's starting to swell up. I don't know if you can tell, hold on, it's starting to swell up a little bit, but anyways, so I'm gonna take a shortcut and go through the, I guess, normal car wash, and then if I feel up to it a little bit later, I'll do some detailing stuff. Well, that was a fucking close call. Jesus Christ. Alright, so I'm pulling into the car wash, and I guess I got their best little package they offer. Didn't really quite understand what a cardio wave was, but apparently it exists and it's $20, so you know, you can't argue with that. They also gave me like this little tampon looking thing, so I don't really know what that is. A napkin or something. And then this guy's gonna spray my car off, so. Well, that's pretty cool. Smells like peppermint. I don't know if I like that. I feel like I'm in a Teletubbies pornography or something right now. I'm really kind of scared. But at least I have this little thing they gave me. I don't know if it's for protection or what. Yeah. Really scared right now, guys. I don't know if you can tell that or not. And I just want to go ahead and apologize. I just got the... Holy fuck. The death claw thing opened up my door, blocking that shit. Okay, now we're in the Blue Man Group waterfall. That's not okay. What the Now it smells like blueberries. And the reds. Lovely. Yeah, so now I'm pulling up and there's this guy, two guys, just staring at me with microfiber towels ready to dry my so I better go. Alright. It just dawned on me that I forgot to do the before video, but trust me, it was awful. I was sitting out in this Lubbock dust storm weather. I mean, it's the dirtiest I'd ever seen it, but this is how it turned out. They, for $20, you know, they cleaned the wheels, put some tire shine on, it looks like. Awfully shiny. So, you know, I might not even need to put a coat of wax or polish on it. Looks, you know, fair. Spot checking. Don't see any, dirt. There's some blue shit right there, but that's probably from the Smurf jizz from earlier when I was being molested. But yeah. So I was running errands today and I come back and I noticed that my car had a flat. And I went to put the spare on, and punctured a hole in the gas tank. So yeah, that's not good. And I think this is the fire department now coming. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, sorry I'm out of breath. I was running up and down the stairs, but yeah, not good. Yeah, not good.